This video is for my brother, Keeper of the Mountain. Now I just know that he loves big archaic pieces of machinery as much as I love pizza. So we're going to leave this on the sign here for a minute. This is found in Newport, Washington, just right alongside the road. It's a lovely piece of equipment. It's a 16-foot wheel. This, as the sign says, was apparently a piece of machinery for cutting lumber. This is the piston here, and at the top up there, that's called the governor. And when this was going at full speed, those balls would swing out against the pressure of those springs and release steam pressure and slow the machine down. So when those are flying all the way out, that led to the term balls out. And that simply meant the steam machine was going at its greatest possible safe speed. We're going to do a little walk around here, just so you can get a good view of how gigantic this thing is. Once again, if you want to have a look at this thing, come on by Newport, Washington. It's right along Highway 2.